right here, we need to just make some adjustments. There's some minor adjustments. We need to just go ahead and close this view that's encapsulating everything that we've worked on. Cut it, and then we create another view. This view, we need to give it a left and a top. Afterwards, we just paste whatever we worked on and then save. So it will be, our component will appear here. Okay. But before we even wrap up on this page, we need to work on how we are going to, like, if we press, we're supposed to add the price of this thing that we've added to our price. Anything that we've added to our order has to be added to our price. Okay, so we need to handle that press, and then we can go ahead and navigate to orders. But navigating to orders is something that we can do now. So let's see, this is our press. So on press, we're supposed to go ahead and navigate and use navigation, and we're going to navigate to a specific page, which is going to be orders page. We already have the orders page. Is it? Yeah, okay, that's our model. So everything is working fine. So we can either just close it by dragging it down. Okay, so we're done with that part. Next, when you're working on the page, we just need to send the data, and then we can see how best we can process our order. Okay.